Hi everyone, and welcome back to another ACTY video. In today's video, I'm going to be replacing my ignition coil and my ignition condenser. So let's get started. So first thing we'll do, since this is electrical, we will disconnect the battery to be safe. So here we are, driver's side. I'm going to slide under and show you where the ignition coil is at. Sometimes figuring out the approach angle is half the battle. I think I found myself a good position inside the truck where I can actually see what I'm doing. So connected to the distributor is your ignition coil. For context, here we are across from the fuel pump. There's this good space in the truck where you can kind of get your head up and look straight at the coil and see what you're doing. So let me try and set you guys up somewhere where you can see what I'm doing and I can also work at the same time. What I can do is remove this heat shield here so we can get a better look. So we got some bolts over here. If we remove these, we can completely detach this. Okay, that should give us a much better view. Oh yeah, much better. I don't know if you can see, but it is rusted pretty badly. It is rusted friggin' all the way through, so it's a good thing I got that part. We gotta take that off, and then there's two connectors on it. There's that wire out. I cannot stress the importance of being very careful with these. These can break. Now we can get to the clips, which I think we can just pinch on and they should come free. Alrighty, the two connectors are out. Just like I said, it was just a pinch right here, push down, and then out. Took a little bit of convincing, finally got there though. It's a really good thing I ordered this condenser. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I mean, you can see here it's almost bent off, like the rust is so bad. We got one right here that we can obviously see. Gotta get this one off. Let me size these up and see what they are. It's in there pretty good. For Pete's sake. Oh man, the rust is just falling down. Yep, that just broke completely off. Oh my god. The rust just fell all over me. You can see that. Well, it's out. I had an interesting time finding a replacement part for this online. I hope I got a good one. I'll put the link in the description. Yeah, I read conflicting reports for these on what would work and what wouldn't, so yeah, hopefully what I got works, because it wasn't too expensive. Ugh, I'm exhausted already. So, just got this dude out. Here it is. Like I said, this part just seized, but I do have its replacement right here. Thank goodness I bought this. Just like that, our new coil is ready. So since this was the side with the condenser, and as you can see, it's pretty rusty. The contacts were really rusty. So is the bolt on that side. So I went ahead and just switched them. This one's a lot cleaner. But yeah, it's ready to go back in. So it'll mount up like this. The plugs go back in, and we need to get that condenser in there as well. It is exactly like this. So this slides on, and then these connect. So, exactly like this. Just gonna hand tighten these for now, get it in. Okay. I think we got it pretty good there. Yep. Get our condenser and slide this in. Yep. Just like so. Okay, that's looking pretty good. We've plugged in our connectors, our condensers in, so let's get this guy back on and we'll be done. So now let's reconnect the battery and turn the truck on. Okay, that started up right away. To me, that's not conclusive evidence that it's fixed, because it has done that before. Sometimes it will start up first turn, but I'll give it another week or so, continue testing, and see if that solved it. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.